I saw this photo on Pinterest and really wanted to make it for the master bedroom wall. If you know me personally or have even seen on some of my previous videos, you know that I love dogs. So I thought this fit perfect. I took some extra 1/4 inch plywood that I had and drew everything out, made sure everything was nice and straight. And then you can see me start to add all the layers and paint. I do have this hanging on the wall. You'll have to make sure and stick around and watch future episodes to see it.